Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a permanently disabled Meta platform, which is Facebook, account using Instagram. Here's a side note. Permanently disabled often means that account may be unrecoverable. According to Facebook Help Center, if you don't appeal within 180 days, you may permanently lose access. Now, if you still have access to legal documentation or a connected Instagram account, you can try going to your profile. So from the bottom right corner of your screen, you're going to head over to your profile, and then from there, you're going to click on your settings right here, which is three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you're on your settings page, you're going to scroll down until you find the help and support or the more info and support section, and then you're going to click on help. Now, on the help page, you're just going to look for the account status or support request. Now, from there, again, you can click on account status, or if you cannot find it here, you can also just go to support requests. Just click on support requests and then look for options to recover a link your Facebook account. So this depends on Meta's current process. Now, if available, you're going to opt to subscribe to Meta Verified if your region supports it. So you can access Meta Verified from your account center. From there, you're going to scroll down and then you can find this Meta Verified right here. So it may provide access to live chat support for account recovery. You're then going to prepare identity verification like government ID, proof of account ownership, and any previous login locations or devices. Here's a tip though. Since direct routes may no longer exist, it can help to link your Instagram account to Facebook before any issue arises, which is prevention. Now, if attempt fail, consider creating a new Facebook account and link a fresh Instagram account, but ensure you abide by Meta's policies to prevent future disablement. And that's it. That is how you are going to recover a permanently disabled Meta platform like Facebook account using Instagram. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.